Hi folks, time to plant the leeks out. Must be nearly 3 weeks earlier than I've normally planted them out, but they've just grown that well this year with all the sunshine we've had, so I might as well get them out. So I've got two different varieties. I've got Musselburgh and I can't remember the other name but bog standard Musselburgh. A lot of people grow Musselburgh, and there's this other variety which I think is an earlier season one, so they should grow a little bit quicker, whereas the Musselburgh are a little bit slower and they can keep all over winter. So I'm going to plant all these in this bed. I'm going to try and space my holes out about a foot apart each way, because I've not got as many plants as I had normally. I think I thinned them out a little bit too much. So I'm going to plant them in rows apart a foot, and between each plant a foot. So what I'm going to use to make the holes, as per usual, is my dibber, which is an old spade handle, and I'm going to try and make a hole about 6 or 7 inches deep. And then I'm going to plonk one of these plants in each of the holes. I won't take the plants out yet, because with it being that hot today they'll probably dry out a bit too much. So I'll make the holes first, then I'll separate all the plants, and then we'll plonk them out. So I'll just show you. I obviously won't do them all. Now I'm thinking this soil will be very hard, because like I said, it's not rained here for the best part of 2 months, and also it's just been sunny. So I'm going to try and push it in, see how hard it is, see how easy it is. It might be good, might not be. Let's have a look. Oh, it's not too bad. The only trouble is, with it being that dry, the hole might fill in, so I'm just going to have to double dip, I think. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that about 50 times in this bit, and then we'll get on, separate these plants and get them put in. Right then folks, that's 50 holes done now. So they're all about 6 inches, 7 inches deep. It wasn't too hard to do, it's just that the soil's a bit loose because it's that dry that they wanted to fill in again. So I've had to just sort of make sure that if they did fill in a bit, then just went in again. So what I'll do now, I'll separate the leek plants and try and show you how we do that, and then explain really the reason why we grow them in the holes, as opposed to just growing them on the flat ground. Right then folks, so I'll get some of these leeks separated now. So I'll just tip it out and show you what they look like. You can see the root structure on that, with them being grown in a nice deep tub. So I'm just going to tease them apart slowly. And shake all the soil off, so you're basically left with a bare rooted plant, like so. I'll have to be quick because it's that warm, they'll start drying out. So these are the Musselburgh. So the reason that we plant in a hole like so, looks a bit silly at first, is because if you were to plant that on the flat like so, then all this would be open to the sunlight, which would keep it green, and the only way that you get the white or blanch part of a leek is by keeping it out of the light. So you've got to plant it in a hole or earth it up as they grow, but this is a lot easier. So that's the reason why we plant them in the holes like so. So every bit of that plant now that's below ground level, once it fills in slowly over time during the season, will be white. So that much will be white. So that's the reason we do it. So it couldn't be easier. All we do is we just plonk one in, push it down to the bottom. Like I said, it does look a bit silly at first, but once they get established, everything's great. So I'll do that, get them all separated out, and then I'll show you the most important part, which is the watering, the first and really the only watering that we do, and that's the most important bit really, to make sure they get established without any problems. Right then folks, that's 50 of those planted, as you can see, shoved right down to the bottom of the holes. So that's 50 in. So like I said, now the most important thing in is for the initial watering, which will get them established, which is a matter of dribbling some water down the holes, just enough so that it just washes enough soil off from around the outside of the hole to cover the leek, to cover the roots up, and then keeps the moisture in. So I'll show you how we do that. Right then folks, the worst thing you can do now is to fill the hole in, because what that will do is it will get soil and grit between the leaves of the leek, and then when they mature you'll end up with gritty leeks, you know, when you have to peel them and wash them, because all the sand and soil will get in between the leaves and then grow into the shaft. So what I do, I've got a hose pipe, little piece of hose pipe stuck down the end of my watering can. And all I'm going to do is, I'll just keep my finger over the end so I can just slowly and carefully just fill the hole up with water, like so, and that'll just wash enough soil off from around the edge of the hole just to cover the leek roots up without filling the hole in. And then when the leek grows, the hole will fill in naturally as the leek pops out of the top, and we won't have any problem with any gritty leeks then. So like I said, this is the most important part. You've got to be careful with this. Don't use a watering can with a rose, because you'll just wash too much soil in. So just nice and carefully, a little bit of hose pipe in the end of your watering can, and it can be quite precise like this. Well, there we go folks, that's all 50 planted out, watered in now. Probably won't see much, but it's just washed enough soil, as you can see with that one there. It's still actually got water, and it's just washed enough soil over the roots at the bottom to cover the roots, keep them nice and moist until they're established. And that's really all I need to do. Obviously if it doesn't rain again for another 2 or 3 weeks, then I'll give them another little watering like that, but apart from that, that's my leeks done. So that's how I plant my leeks folks. See you later.